Magnitude 5.7 earthquake, depth 113 kilometers, strikes San Juan, Argentina on 6 September, 2024. Earthquake subject to change. San Juan is a valley city east of the Andes Mountains, in west-central Argentina. San Juan is the capital and largest city of the Argentine province of San Juan in the Cuyo region, located in the Tuolumne Valley, west of the San Juan River, at 650 meters (2,133 feet) above mean sea level, with a population of around 112,000 as per the 2001 census, in DEC, over 500,000 in the metropolitan area. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.